Consumer Cellular flip phones have removable batteries for troubleshooting or recycling. First, power off the phone by holding the power button for 5 to 10 seconds to prevent data loss or short circuits. Then, use your fingernail or a plastic pry tool to open the back cover, typically a pop-off design. Gently slide or lift the battery out, avoiding metal tools to prevent punctures. Ground yourself before handling to prevent electrostatic discharge (ESD) damage. Dispose of old batteries at certified e-waste centers. Always prioritize safety to avoid voiding warranties. While battery removal is generally low risk, handle with care. Improper removal can lead to minor shocks or damage. Trends show a decline in removable batteries due to advancements in battery technology, with potential phase-out by 2030. However, removable batteries may persist in budget lines for accessibility. Eco-friendly recycling is increasingly important, with potential mandatory battery passports for safe disposal. If uncomfortable with DIY, seek professional help.